Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Sabarimala gears up for Makaravilakku Festival. Over 100,000 pilgrims thronged the hill shrine of Sabarimala on the occasion of the Makaravilakku Festival. The Travancore Deva Swarm Board, which looks after the temple administration, had arranged 10 vantage points in different parts of the shrine for pilgrims to view the Makaravilakku. Significantly, Makaravilakku is a light lit at Ponnambalamedu, a plateau across the Sabarimala Shrine. Let us now discuss Makaravilakku Festival. This festival is observed on the day of Makar Sankranti in Kerala at the shrine of Sabarimala. It is the most important event in the 2-month-long annual festival season. On the first day of the Malayalam month of Makaram, the auspicious Deeparadhana is performed at the temple dedicated to Lord Ayyappa. The sacred ornaments of Lord Ayyappa, who is believed to have lived at Pandalam Palace, are brought to Sabarimala Shrine from the palace in a procession. The erstwhile royal family of Pandalam is the custodian of the ornaments. Makaravilakku, believed to have celestial origins, is shown 3 times by the chief priest of Pamba temple. This ritual is done after the Sirius star appears in the sky. Let us now know about Sabarimala Shri Dharma Sastha temple. It is dedicated to Lord Ayyappa. It is the most famous among all the Sastha temples in Kerala. The temple is situated on a hilltop named Sabarimala in Panthanamthitta district. The temple is open to people belonging to all religions. It is open for worship only during the days of Mandala Puja, Makaravilakku, Vishu, and during the first day of every Malayalam month. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which celestial event is associated with the Makaravilakku festival? Your options are appearance of the Sirius star, lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, or alignment of planets. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more such content.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.